All right, so we're here on the Contender site, really cool brand. One of the things about Contenders that caught my eye is that it has a lot of pretty cool Top Gun merch, and I'm actually a huge Top Gun fan. My wife and I were both stationed at Miramar. My wife flew F-18s. She even flew in the Blue Angels for the 15 and 16 show seasons. And our son is named Maverick, right? So you can't get much more fanboy than that. So I figured we'd use some of the Top Gun merch here as an example on how to use quizzes to boost conversions. So one of the quick wins for most brands is here at the top, there's a lot of really cool merch, but customers have a hard time picking what they want. So a quiz could help them make that decision, right? Because if customers can't decide, they can't buy. So a quiz here to help guide them and answer some questions and pick some merch would be good. Another cool thing is I noticed you have a really good social following here. 90,000 followers, it's a lot. So whenever you post something, like let's find a Top Gun related post, say like right here, if you post this, for example, you could say, hey, if you're a Top Gun fan, check out our link in bio, take a quick quiz to find the perfect merch for you, right? Just something like that inspires them to take the quiz. And you'll see how that's useful in a minute. So with that, let's go ahead and create a quick example. So we'll use Top Gun here. I already imported some demo products here. So we'll go ahead and use a few of these. So you can pick up to 30, but we'll just use 5 for a quick example. So I'm picking some products here. I'm gonna go ahead and add them, and then we'll hit next. And now this will give us some cool title suggestions. So we can write our own title right here if we want, or we can pick one of these. So we'll go with find your perfect Top Gun apparel. And of course I could change that if I want, but this is pretty good. Then I'll hit generate quiz. So what this does is it looks at all the products that we've selected. It reads all of the descriptions because you're the expert, we're not. It'll use those descriptions, the tags, the titles to figure out what are a few questions I can ask a customer to help recommend the perfect product for them. So it'll do all that. It'll write the questions, it'll write the answers, and it'll map all of those recommendations. So like you saw this was maybe 20 seconds to generate this quiz. This is a quick preview. This preview is actually what we call a pop link. It's a standalone page to add the quiz. So if you want to go on social, you might want to use this. Use this on social because it's a kind of a standalone link. Or if you want to put it on your site, you could just copy this little quiz key here. And I have a little demo site here. And I want to add the quiz key right there. And it would update it here on my site. Just as a quick demo. So this matches the style of your site. But just for speed, we will go ahead and do this. So what's your Top Gun character? I'll go Maverick. Type of apparel, I will go with shorts. Preferred material, I will go with polyester. How do you like your fit? Athletic. Everyday wear. And this is where I put in my information. So this is a test site, so I'll just put in some demo information here. Then I'll hit show my results. So based on all of my answers, it recommends kind of the perfect product for me. It tells me why. Stay cool and active like Maverick. It kind of uses the AI to generate these recommendations and the reasons why based on my answers. And the cool thing is, from a marketing standpoint, is after I take this quiz, I can, first you can see some analytics here if you want. But for the marketing part, you can look at submissions, and every submission has, it captured my email address here. It created this Shopify customer profile, or updates it if it already exists. But it also kind of gives you all these tags based on my answers. So now you as a marketer know my preferences. And this is really useful because all of your social followers, most of them, they never buy. You don't really know who they are. But this allows you to pull them onto your email list with more information about them. And you can use all of this, all these tags here for personalization, for creating marketing segments, anything like that. So if you know they like Top Gun, now when you have a new Top Gun release, you can email those customers specifically and say, hey, we know you like X, Y, and Z. Check out this new apparel that we have. So that was a very quick demo. You can create a quiz in 2 minutes. They're fast enough to where you can create a quiz for every single social post if you want. Drive customers to this quiz, get them on your email list or on your store, put them at the top of every collection to help customers choose. So that was quick. If you have any questions, let me know. But I hope this helps drive more sales for your store.